it's Rachel. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Today I will be doing a review and a demo on this Instylish eye brush set. Instylish contacted me recently and asked if I would be interested in reviewing their new eye brush set, and I said I would love to. So this was sent to me for review, but I'm giving you 100% honest opinions, and I'm doing a full demo where I show the brushes in action and how they created this look here with the Mini Controversy palette. A lot of you are familiar with Jeffree Star's formula, you know how it works, so I thought that would be good to use with these brushes. Plus, I just got this palette and wanted to play with it. Hello. So we use the Mini Controversy. I will give you my full thoughts on these brushes after the demo, but I know you guys are just dying to see how I got this look, so let's just jump into it. So like usual, I'm taking my Sigma eyeshadow base and just putting that messily all over the lid and then patting that out with my finger. So I'm not sure what I'm doing today to demonstrate these brushes. I know I'm using the Mini Controversy palette, obviously. I have blue lips. Should I do a monochromatic look with the blues, or should I be wild and do other colors? That's a thought. First, I think I am going to go into Exposed and Controversy and mix them together with this little blending brush right here. And without setting my primer, just pack that in the inner part of the crease and then blend it. This is a really good brush for both placing color and blending it out. And you don't have to get as blown out as me because it's a tiny brush, so it's good for precise application as well. I just want a heck ton of purple right up in here. I just want it. Next, I'm taking this brush and I'm using it almost like a Sigma E25. And I'm gonna take Canceled mixed with the Simulation, these two blues, and I'm going to pop that on the outer corner and drag it into the crease directly. This brush is a good like one and done all over, like pack and blend out, but it also works as like an E25 if you wanted to. Then now that I've got that placed, I'm going to take Flat Earth, this light blue, on that detailed brush that I did the purples with. Just load it up, and I'm going to pack that on top of and blend out that darker blue edge and blend it into the purple. I haven't done a crazy look in a while, I feel like, so I want to get colorful up in here. Then I'm going to take some more Exposed on that same blender brush and just brighten up this purple area just a little bit, because I think I took too much Controversy in there and I want a little bit more pastel. Because I was a bit messy with the outer edge, I'm just going to take my Camo Concealer and just wipe it off and dab a very teeny bit on the tip of my sponge. And just clean that up. Blend, blend, blend. This little blending brush is so good. Then for the lid, I am taking the obvious choice, my boyfriend's purse, right here on this small shader brush, and popping that in the blank space in the center of the eye and kind of blending it in with every color. This is a crazy look. It's crazy, but I love it. It's beautiful. I feel so pretty. I really want that Flat Earth to be visible, so I'm going to try and pack more up in here because it's so faint It's such a light blue, but I want you to freaking see it. I want to see that pastel blue. I want it so bad. I think that's better. And then I'm going to do a wing. Let's do that. I think my wings are even. I'm just gonna take an eyeliner that's literally laying right here, the LA Girl Neon Eye Fresh, and put that on the waterline. Then I'm going to take this small angled brush and go in again to Canceled and the Simulation and pop that on the lash line on the outer half. Then I'm wiping that brush off and I'm taking Exposed in Controversy and putting that on the inner half. For the inner corner and the brow bone highlight, I'm taking the highlighter that I used on my face, the Ofra Retrograde highlighter, and I am just mixing the two shades in the pan together and applying that on the inner corner with my pinky. And also applying it to my brow bone with my pinky. I'm gonna pop on mascara and I will be right back. While I'm letting my Lancome Lash Primer dry, I just want to point out something. See this boring ass beige crying on the couch that's like the same color as my skin and wouldn't show up on my skin if I packed it on? I didn't use it. I don't need it. Why are you giving me a boring ass beige instead of that awesome green? Why? Why can't you be like Mellow Cosmetics and send out a replacement and only charge shipping, Jeffree? Why? Because I cannot use this. Can you see this? I can't see this. This is my skin. I can't use this. It's boring. I don't set my eyeshadow primer. I don't want it. I don't need it. If I had known this palette was going to be even better, I would have waited. I would have waited. I'm so disappointed. Alright, mascara is on. So this is the completed look using all four of the Instylish brush set and the Mini Controversy palette. Let's zoom out and give you my final thoughts. So now that you've seen these brushes in action, you honestly can form your own opinion, but I like it. I love this tiny blending brush. This brush is amazing, and I honestly would buy the whole kit again, or just buy the whole kit because this was sent to me for free, but I would buy the whole kit just for this tiny blending brush. It is so awesome, so multi-purpose. It packs, it blends, it fits in small places. It's so good. This is good, but like these kind of flat shader brushes are kind of a dime a dozen, and like it's hard to mess these up. So it's good, but it's like everybody does that good, you know? Like, does that make sense? And this small angled brush I really enjoyed for doing detail work on the waterline. I think it's a little too thick to do liner on top, but I honestly haven't tried that yet, so we'll have to see. But it's really great for placing and blending on the waterline. And this brush right here, my favorite way to use this is doing like a one and done look where I pack a shadow on the lid and blend it into the crease, and it works amazing for that. It works okay as like a thicker, flatter blending brush as you saw, but it's not the best for that, and it's not my personal preference for brushes, but it is good. So overall, I would say these are good quality brushes, and the price is not bad for what you get. And like I said, I would pay that price just for this one brush. I will have the price on the screen right here. I think it's like $15.99 for the kit, but I'll have it on the screen just to be sure. And they did give me a discount code for you guys if you are interested. It is not an affiliate code, I don't believe. If it is, I'll write it in the description box, but I think it's just a tracking code. So if you guys are interested, I do have a discount code. You can save some money on these. And again, I really like them. I really like this look, especially this blending brush. Oh my gosh. What did you guys think of how the brush set performed? And what are your thoughts on the mini controversy and the boring beige? Let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!